Memes. The only thing keeping me alive in the lockdown, and it's probably the same for you. A few months ago, I got an idea for a Telegram bot that can run endlessly, pulling memes from Reddit and sending them as a feed to a Telegram channel. And so I brought that idea to life in the form of a channel called Reddit Memes. I know, very original. It's got close to 8,000 memes posted on it, and they're all from r/dank memes. And this is only the posts marked by Reddit as hot, because I only like hot things. Somewhere down the line after that channel was ready, I thought, what if we can run this on an Instagram page? It would definitely be able to beat all those meme reposters on there. And so I got to working. Now you might be thinking, bruh, this is damn easy because you already got the memes, right? Just post them to Instagram. Easy. Well, it's actually that second step that adds a whole other layer of complexity. The first of the channel I had to overcome was actually downloading the meme. On Telegram, I was just using the link preview feature to show the meme. But for Instagram, I would actually have to download the meme if I wanted to re-upload it to Instagram. And so I developed a system that used wget and the OS libraries, I believe, or system library, one of them, to download the meme and delete it later after it has been uploaded. That way we can save storage space and manage meme uploading easily, because we can download it with a standard name like meme.jpg, so we don't have to implement any sort of file naming system. Yeah, I know, it's super big brain. The next challenge I had to overcome was figuring out how to communicate with and post to Instagram. And that was solved using a very easy library called Instabot. So that's out of the way. After those two systems were implemented, I ran it confidently, expecting it to run the first time. But no. In classic programmer fashion, I got an error. Some kind of an unsupported format error. Turns out a lot of memes on r/dank memes are GIFs, and GIFs cannot be posted to Instagram. So I created a logic that can detect the file type of the meme and accordingly choose whether to download it or skip it. That bit worked well, and now we were only working with images. I ran it again, expecting it to run, and no. Another error. What was it this time? Well, turns out Instagram only supports certain image dimensions that are suitable for mobile viewers. So I had to implement a system that could resize the image to make it supported by Instagram. And it may make the meme look a little weird, but what does it matter? While I was implementing this, I also added a delay between posts because we don't want to flood Instagram with 100 plus memes a second, and we should also have the ability to define what frequency you want to post the memes at. And I also added in a feature that adds random hashtags to the post. And with that, I was pretty much done. The features of the bot are as follows. It can pull memes from Reddit. You can change the subreddit to whatever you want, so it doesn't actually have to stay on memes. It can also decide which ones can be posted to Instagram and which ones cannot. Resize unsupported image dimensions for Instagram. Add in randomized hashtags and a fully customizable frequency of posts, like one post a day or one post an hour or one post per 10 minutes and so on. It's up to you, and that's pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.